welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Katrina. In this video, I am going to be showing you the Chris Appleton double curl method. I don't know if that's a thing, but that's what I'm going to call it. I recently saw a video of his, did a curling method that I've never seen before, and I thought it would be cool to try and show you guys. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how I got these curls, keep watching. So I recently did my hair. What do you guys think? I've been wanting to dye my hair. I just didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. And the past couple times I've done my hair, I've done like a balayage. So I kind of wanted to do just like a traditional highlight, like starting up from the root, just something different. I don't know. I'm definitely getting used to it just because I haven't had highlights in my hair in like a long time. But yeah, I really like it. Like I said, I wanted to do something different other than like balayage because I feel like everybody does that now. I recently saw a video from Chris Appleton, and he was showing how, I think how he did jlo's hair for the Super Bowl. I think, I don't know, I probably should watch the video again, but yeah, I think he was showing how he did jlo's hair for the Super Bowl and how he gets like his curls to last, I guess. So basically, I'm gonna call it like the Chris Appleton double curl method because honestly, I've never heard anybody do this before. Yeah, I don't think I've ever heard or seen anybody do this before. So I really wanted to try it out for myself. So basically, what he does is he curls the hair in sections like normal, but he curls it first with a smaller iron, and then he pins it up, lets it cool, and then when he takes it down, he curls it with a bigger iron. And he said it just gives it, I don't, I think he said it just gives it more of a hold. It gives it more volume, I guess. And it just looks better. It did look better when he did it, but let's try and see. So I'm going to do this side, or I'm going to do a couple pieces on this side with you guys, and then I'm probably going to speed up this side. I'm just going to clip this side out the way. So I do middle part, so whichever part you do, that's what you can start with. I'm starting with the middle part. So I'm going to start with this piece right here. So I'm going to divide it into I guess I'll divide it into two. So I'm going to start with this front piece. I sprayed a little bit of this ion heat protectant spray. You can use whatever you want. I think he used like Color Wow, something Color Wow, but I don't have that. So I'm going to take, this is a Hot Tools iron. This is 1 inch. Yeah, I think this is 1 inch. Start off by curling this piece, and he stayed pretty close to the root, so I'm not really moving away from the root. I'm staying pretty close. So I'm going to hold that for a couple seconds, okay, and let it go. So you see we have a nice tight curl. He pinned it up after, so let me do that. Literally just like pushing the curl up and pinning it. Doing the same thing. Actually, I think with this one he kind of went down, so I'll try to do exactly what he did. So yeah, I'm keeping the curl pretty tight. I can't really see. Keeping the curl really tight, close to the root. When the hair feels hot, then you can let it go. Pin it up. I have a couple more pieces to curl, but these are already cooled down, so I'm gonna take them out and start doing the second part to this method. What this is supposed to do is just the texture that you get from the smaller curl will give more of a hold when you use the bigger iron, I'm assuming. So yeah, I used a 1 inch, so this is now I'm pretty sure this is a 2 inch. Now I am gonna just go over it with the 2 inch iron. Doing the exact same thing. I hit myself in that. I'm trying to stay at the root. And this was off, so now I have to wait for this to heat up. So I just have to wait a minute for this iron to heat up. So let's go again. trying to stay close to the root for the top pieces. I guess it definitely looks fuller. So I do see what he's saying. The curl does look a little fuller and more bouncy, if that makes sense. So I think he pinned these up also. So let's pin these up. And let's just do Okay, so I don't know what happened to the audio for this part and my outro got deleted, so I'm going to talk for the rest. So basically here I'm just saying to leave this in for at least 15 minutes or as long as you can. And here is the finished look. I really love the way it came out. I definitely agree that it does give like a really bouncy look. So yeah, if I have time, I'll definitely do this method again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and if you guys try it out, comment, let me know, or maybe tag me on Instagram, hairbycat89. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.